Today we are going to talk about the mean, median, mode, and ranges and how to find them. The mighty mean. The mean is a straightforward concept. It is simply the average of all the values in your data set. Imagine you have a collection of books and you want to know their average length. The mean would be calculated by adding the lengths of all the books and then dividing that sum by the total number of books. The resulting value represents the typical book length in your collection. While the mean is a popular measure, it can be skewed for outliers, extreme values. You can think of it as a balancing all your data points on a seesaw. The mean is the exact point where the seesaw would balance perfectly. The astute median. You know these astute and the mighty, they are just adjectives. They are not something else. They are just used as adjective to make it a bit more interesting and to clear your concept. The median is a robust measure of central tendency, less susceptible to outliers than the mean. Think of a clothesline with your data points hanging like shirts. The median would be would be the shirt sitting smack dab in the middle when you arrange them in order from smallest to largest, or vice versa. If you have an odd number of data points, the middle value is your median. With an even number of data points, the median is the average of the two middle values. For instance, if your data points are 2, 4, 5, 7, and 8, as they are uh, even, the median would be 5 plus 7 by 2 is equal to 6. So the median would be 6. The multifaceted mode or mode. The multifaceted mode. The mode is a simple way of identify the most common value in your data set. Imagine a collection of fruits and you want to know which type of fruit appears the most. The mode would be the type of fruit with the highest count. Data can have one mode. No mode, all the values appear equally often. Or even multiple modes, several values tie for the most frequent. The mode is particularly used for categorical data when you are looking for the prevailing category. And the expansive range. The range is a straightforward measure of dispersion spread in your data. It simply tells you the difference between the largest and smallest values. Think of a box of pencils. The range would be the difference in length between the longest and the shortest pencils. While the range is easy to calculate, it does not take into account the distribution of data points within the range. For instance, two data sets can have the same range, but very different spreads of data points within the range. However, in this course, we are going to also calculate these statistical concepts in Excel. So you can watch these videos if you are also learning Excel. Thank you so much.